Today's story is about something very special, learning together. Did you know that small daily practice can help us grow? Let's listen to Leo and his grandfather and see how a simple garden day helps Leo learn English. It was a quiet Saturday morning. The sun was warm but gentle. Small birds sang happily in the trees. Leo woke up with a smile on his face. He stretched his arms and jumped out of bed. Today was special. It was garden day with his grandfather. Leo ran to the backyard. The air felt fresh and clean. The grass was wet and shiny with morning dew. Grandpa was already there. He wore a big straw hat and old blue jeans. His hands looked strong from years of gardening. "Good morning, Grandpa," Leo said happily. "Are we ready to plant seeds today?" "Yes, Leo," Grandpa said with a warm smile. "But remember our rule. Today we speak only in English. It helps our brain grow." Leo laughed and put on his bright yellow gloves. "They feel a little big," he said. "But I like them. Let's start." Grandpa pointed to the long garden bed. "First, we prepare the soil," he said calmly. "Is it soft or hard?" Leo pushed his small silver shovel into the soil. "It is soft and cool," he said. "The soil smells nice. I am turning it slowly." "Very good," Grandpa said. "Now use the rake. Make the top flat and smooth." Leo pulled the rake again and again. His arms felt tired, but he did not stop. Soon the garden bed looked neat and clean. Grandpa showed 3 seed packets. They had colorful pictures on them. "These are tomatoes, beans and flowers," Grandpa said. "The tomato seeds are very tiny," Leo said. "The bean seeds are bigger and round." "Yes," Grandpa said. "Now make small holes with your finger." Leo bent down and worked carefully. 1 hole, 2 holes, 3. He counted. Then he dropped the seeds inside. "Goodbye, little seeds," Leo whispered. "Please grow strong and healthy." Suddenly, something red landed on Leo's hand. It was a small ladybug with black spots. "Grandpa, look," Leo whispered excitedly. "That is a ladybug," Grandpa said softly. "She helps the garden. She eats bad insects." Leo watched the ladybug open its wings, then it flew away slowly. "She is very small," Leo said, "but she does an important job." Now it was time to water the garden. Leo lifted the green watering can. It felt heavy in his hands. Water fell like light rain on the soil. "Not too much," Grandpa said gently. "Just a little water is enough." When they finished, they sat on the wooden steps. Grandpa gave Leo a cold glass of lemonade. It tasted sour and sweet. "You did great work today," Grandpa said proudly. "You learned new English words." Leo smiled and took a deep breath. "I feel tired," he said, "but I feel very happy. I can't wait to see the plants grow." Grandpa hugged him tightly. "Learning English is the same," he said. "Practice every day and you will grow too." Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.